Okay, heading back outside here. We came out at 8:30. Did snow till 12:30. And it's 3:30. It doesn't even look like we did anything. That's because it snowed again. Or it never stopped. What do you mean again? Holy moly. Another 7 inches since 3:30. Wow. There's 26. Brutal. At least it's nice and light. Here we go. Don't let me down now, John dear. Woo. Well, got the tractor stuck again. Thought I was on the driveway. Apparently I wasn't on the driveway. I'm in the yard. Stuck in the yard. Here's the driveway. That's not the driveway. This is the driveway I'm standing in. That's not the driveway. That's the yard way. That's the yard.